Hey guys, so after watching and listening to all of those flutters, you're probably wondering, how do I get it for my own car? Well, I probably can't tell you how to do it for your car, but the principle is the same for all turbo cars. On my S15 200SX, you can see that I've got a pod filter and I've got a metal intake pipe. Both of these you pretty much need to get the nice flutter sound, because basically the sound comes out the pod filter and is also amplified by the metal intake pipe. My metal intake pipe doesn't have a stock blow valve return hose, as you can see here on the stock intake pipe, which is a good thing. But even if it does, you can just block it off anyway. So those two items you really need, and what you don't need is your stock blow off valve. That's how it looks like on the S15. It's pretty ugly. Good to take out too, weight reduction, you know. But once you take that out, it usually sits over here somewhere. Once you take it out, you do need to block off the hoses that used to go into a blow off valve, or else obviously you have a boost leak. I just use a little dodgy Bunnings door stopper thing. And the vacuum hose, as you can see there, I just use some screws and some clamps to keep it all together. And that's really about it. Once you block off the blow-off valve hoses and set up your two items, the pod filter and the metal intake pipe, you're ready to go. And of course you need a turbo car. But if you don't have a turbo car, well...